Hello, hello. Audible or no? Is it audible? I'm audible. Yes, audible or no? Is it audible? Please respond, guys. Yes, 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 audible or not? Yeah. So, welcome back to the weekly forecast. So, we are starting here the weekly forecast from the top 10 analysis basis. This is this is the December month candle. As you guys, you know that December is not a good month for forex and commodity traders. Weak market institutions will go for a weekend holidays. Let's see. This is the last weekly candle formation. What happened? Here we can see in gold in weekly time frame. We can clearly see there is a proper trendline formation, and this is the all-time high resistance level. This is the big resistance market respected this resistance in daily time frame. What we can see, we can refine this resistance to this level. Here we can see cleaner pattern formation in gold in daily time frame. But what about the 4 hour or daily time frame? What we can expect this week in gold? What we can expect in gold? I'm expecting this like this reaction from this demand to upside to manipulate this trend line liquidity. This high are already taken the manipulation. This is the key level for gold for me, and here we can see it's a pure pattern formation, like it's a big pattern formation structure. Like this, maybe market can like this or else this. What's your view in gold, guys? What about your analysis? This is the only view in gold. In 1 hour time frame, this is the in 1 hour time frame. This is the internal range. In 1 hour time frame, this is the external. This is the pure demand. Market can fall in coming these weeks. Almost how much pips we can? Almost $103 boom in gold we can expect, because last Friday market fall from this supply to this. Here we can see $67 points fall in a single time. Just 1 hour, 1, 2, 3. It's a 4 hour. What about the 4 hour candle? We can clean. This is a 4 hour candle. It's a 4 hour candle. Took 8 hours totally. Took 8 hours to hit the $67 move. My expectation 4070. There is the 4070. Yeah, we can same level. I told that this is the level. We can expect this from this zone to react from this to for a buy. We can plan for a You can plan for a buy from this level 4070 level for wait. And technically gold, shall we go with another currency pair? Please let me know which currency pair that you need to analyze. Basically I do only 3 assets. Let's jump into my favorite pairs like Euro and GU. In GU, what we can expect coming days? Weekly bias. Let's check out the monthly bias. In monthly price action, this is the higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low. Market can go up in bias is uptrend. Before that, key level for resistance. Weekly, what about the weekly? Weekly show proper bullish sign. Weekly bias is still bullish. Lines already break last lower high, lower low, lower high. Structure in daily cycle structure is bullish. We can expect in daily time frame. Here we can see a huge imbalance. What about the 4-hour time frame? In 4-hour structure is bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now here we can see the high has been manipulated and holding this resistance level and supply level. Take out this swing high liquidity. So I'm expecting a correction to this low. It's a big demand. Looking for buy instead of sell because the structure is bullish in 4-hour trend. So resistance level, resistance break, and we can expect a support from here. Low has been taken. Extreme demand in 4-hour time frame. This is the extreme demand for this level. This is the institution level and this is the retail level. Yes. In 1-hour time frame we can see a correction phase. The correction has been started. This is the shift in 1 hour and now the last higher high. This is the lower highs. This is the high, this is the higher high. Yeah, clean trend line. Here we can see one touch, two touch, three touch. This candle has been manipulated. Say inducement, clean inducement. Already take this low, but we can consider for a sell in GBP USD for intraday players. The 50-minute time frame for intraday play. Asia, London, New York, London sweep, New York sell off. We can expect this supply to mitigate and fall. This low didn't take out. Stop losses has been collected from this low. I'm expecting this reaction to sell in GBP USD. This is the key level for GBP USD, this zone and this zone, the recent levels. Let's check out the EURUSD. Weekly closed in bullish. Expecting a buy move. This is the higher time frame picture. Reflection. This is the supply for weekly supply. But we can see daily structure, new higher high, higher low. This high break. In 4-hour time frame, is still bullish. In 4-hour time frame, the EURUSD in bullish. Now the market is in correction phase. I'm expecting at least this is the protected low, and this is the demand level for EURUSD. Before confirming that, this is the last lower low, and we can see there is a trend line, manipulation of a trend line. Here we can see the pattern formation, manipulation phase. I'm expecting from this reaction to upside. Another, yep. EURUSD bias is bullish, waiting for this demand for a buy opportunities. In 50-minute time frame, bearish breakout structure. Yep. Only 20 pips. Asia can play the 20 pips. The average session volatility. What about this Asia? 10 pips. And what about this Asia? Nearly 14 pips. Average 10 to 15 pips for Asia. Asia will play average 10 to 20 pips range, but we can expect a London, New York sessions for trade. Already mitigated this level also. Actually, currently the buyers in control. Market can go up like this upside move. That's it for EURUSD. Any other currency pair that we can analyze, or else I'm gonna wind up this session. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും കറൻസി പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം. പ്ലീസ് ലെറ്റ് മീ നോ. അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് വീക്ക്ലി ഫോർകാസ്റ്റ് വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം. Yep. So yeah, that's it for the weekly forecast. And let's see in Tuesday New York live GBP JPY. Yeah, sure. Let's do the GBP JPY. This is, I don't trade this pair, but I can do the analysis. Clean chart, monthly still bullish, and here we can see the monthly in a resistance levels, a supply level. This was the September last year candle. Okay, great. Now maybe market can hold this level, otherwise market will fall down, because we can see in weekly time frame trend lines are forming. It's a pattern, ascending triangle formation in weekly time frame, but we can trade in weekly for big pattern trades, which will take long time to take SL or TP. There is no use. But what about the daily? In daily time frame, daily cycle, daily structure is bullish, but the candlesticks are very choppy. Fill the inefficiency. This gap has been filled. Now the recent price action daily has slight consolidation in a range. It's a sideways, hopefully. What about the 4 hour? 4 hour in a range also. Not good in. Actually, it's in 4 hour structure bullish. This is the low in 4 hour. Take trend lines are formed. Manipulate this trend line and trying to buy. Trying to hold this level, but make sure this is the monthly level, monthly zone. In higher time frame picture, this zone in a higher time frame monthly, but weekly also same, all day respected in weekly. What about daily? Yeah, in 4 hour time frame, structure is in a range, last higher high, but the 4 hour structure is consolidating like this. Not good for risky trades. Market can easily manipulate both sides. In 1 hour time frame, we can see not proper a trend, because in 1 hour time frame this level is holding a resistance, trying to break this level, but trying to also fall this level. It's a pure trap, so we have to wait for a 4-hour break, 4-hour time frame. Better to wait for this on breakout. It's crucial. If 4-hour time frame is ranging, stay away from the chart. That's the best thing that we can do. Yep, NSD USD, GBP JPY not looking good for coming days or week trades. We have to wait for that. Before that, we can check the Forex factory. What's the big events that conducted this week's? Tomorrow, Euro bank holiday. Tuesday, 7 o'clock. We have Tuesday on 7 p.m. job opening on US dollar. The forecast 7.23 million, and the previous 7.23 million, and forecast is less. We can expect maybe, or let's see the 7 p.m. reaction in New York's time. And after that, Wednesday, we have a FOMC 11 p.m. It's very, very important. Rate cut will be cut 4% previous, and forecast 3.75. And Thursday, unemployment claim rate 5:30 p.m. Unemployment rate will be, forecast is high. Let's see the live action. This is the this week high impact events. NSD USD. Yep. Choppy. Last monthly candle looking good. Monthly supply. What about the daily? Daily see, we can see the shift. One touch, two touch, daily candle, two tap here. We can look this as a trend line support. Future. If market fall, can expect this will take as a support and go up. Yeah, 4-hour time frame. Let's read the 4-hour time frame. The recent 4-hour choppy market, basically fake out. Let's do 1 hour. 1 hour has been 1 hour range. I don't know. So sideways market, first breakout, and manipulate this high and down. This trend line liquidity all market collect idu. Not good in 1 hour. What about the 50-minute time frame? Pure sideways. Stay away from this chart. Not looking good. In 50-minute time frame, what's the structure? Higher high, higher low, higher high. Here we can see the reversal shift, but we can only consider in 50-minute time frame. But based on 1 hour time frame, this is not a shift, just a liquidity sweep. Maybe market can, I will consider as a demand like this, and for liquidity 50-minute time frame, I think market can go up. This reaction. For inducement liquidity here, let's see the Asia, how the Asia is playing, and after we can only trade. This is a major currency pair. Most of the major currency pair will active London and New York. So let's see. Expecting, need a confirmation, otherwise we can't guarantee this level will hold or not. But this zone is valid, but the structure still, yeah, the zone is still valid. We can consider this zone for a buy. B, what? No use. So yep, that's it. Okay, BTC. I don't trade in BTC. This is crypto market. The volatility is different. Once you learn the structure, we can analyze every market. Echo structure, strong low. Weekly, this demand has been respected, trying to hold this level. Monthly, perfect. Monthly already respected this level. Key resistance, act like a resistance also, it's a demand. Breakout structure in monthly. In monthly time frame, this is the resistance level. This is the zone BTC that we can see. What is it? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Not a higher high, just a sweep and fall down. Daily bias, what we can see here, daily in bearish, not a bullish. Monthly already respected this low. Lower high, lower low, trying to now the in daily time frame, this is the correction phase, but also we can take extreme demand from here. This is the breakout structure. This high has been taken, body break, 4-hour time frame, perfect demand zone. Sweep the low, structure shift, weak high, strong low. This is the mitigated level for monthly, trying to take out. No trend line, no trend line. Risky for a buy, but take the risk or lose the chance. It's a big zone. Here we can see the inducement sweep. .618. You can't predict properly. Yes, another trend line formation, but this trend line has been break. So we can see in 1 hour time frame trend line breakout, but we can't make sure this trend line will hold for the upside move. 1 hour time frame we have a demand also here. Manipulation. Yeah. Maybe market can fall down at least this level. Otherwise market can, if this level hold, the first target will be here, but there is no confirmation. Let's see this level will be hold or not. If we can see the rejection, market can go fall down. Not good in 5 minutes also. Choppy market. No shift, nothing. Maybe this high will be met. This will be, we can trap also. Yep, let's see. In 4 hour already happened the break of structure, all the correction 50% on all golden zone, 50% correction already happened. Market can go like this. Maybe it's a risky sell, or market can go like this. Can you expect touch again 80k? Where is the 80k? Here. My point of view, there is nothing. This is the monthly. 80 already tapped. Whole monthly supply. Balance. Yeah. 80k. I don't know. 80k will touch or not. Already mitigated this monthly demand and trying to take, but it's some scenario. Those who trade in pattern traders, maybe we can see like a flag pattern like that. Big time frame pattern formation, impulse correction, impulse fall. If that's the logic, maybe this will break, but the reality is that's retail traders logic, those who trade in patterns. resistance break, support break, and this zone is acting like a resistance. So that's it. BTC enough, done for the day. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for the time. Yeah, I'm gonna wind up this session.